financially stable, ability to deliver within the contract time frame, satisfactory performance history, a reputation of integrity, and either has the ability or has the necessary equipment. That's just the pass-fail part. Once a proposer has gotten past that part, we will open the price components, and the price components are going to be, you would think it's relatively simple, you just look at the numbers and that's it. But you also have to look at whether there have been qualifications or exceptions submitted, which can change the value of a proposal from one proposer who submits no qualifications to another who submits pages of qualifications. So try to not submit any qualifications or exceptions in your proposal. The price also will be, we're going to be looking for rebates after purchasing X amount of units. So let's say after we purchase 200,000 units, we then expect a rebate of X. And after we purchased 350,000 units, we expect a rebate of Y. So we'll be taking those and putting them together to come out with what is the lowest price.
Okay, excuse me.
Yes.
Clarification on that, when we ask for a rebate of X, we're not going to dictate the rebate, we're going to ask you to propose that. What we want to do is give you an opportunity to give your best price to us without taking the risk that we're going to order a certain volume. So the idea would be you give us a unit price, and then when we achieve a certain volume, what's the rebate that would come back to us? Hopefully that makes you more comfortable in not having to anticipate or take a risk that we're going to order a certain amount before you give us your best price.
All right, once we've gotten to the three low bidders, then it's who is acceptable to the district. And that will be a scoring process where we'll use probably 100 points. We're going to be looking at, well, one base question is always going to be what's your experience in the past been. And then the rest of it will be based on the three sections that we've been looking at, educational, technical, and contractual piece. So we're going to be scoring you on the hardware, software, functionality, content, training, delivery, warranty, and repair and replacement program. As you heard, Dr. Aquino mentioned that there were a couple of places where we were going to provide extra points for pre-K curriculum and intervention programs. So we'll spell it all out in the RFP so you can figure out what the points are going for, and you can kind of figure out from your proposal, you go through it, and you can kind of self-score yourself before you turn it in. If you see areas where you're lacking, you may want to try to improve those areas, but the idea is that we're transparent with how we're going to do the scoring, and we'll lay it all out in the RFP. That's all I've got from my